Hey everybody, how's it going? Hope you're having a lovely day. I just wanted to give a heartfelt thank you to the audience for all the emails and phone calls that you made regarding the Colorado Right to Repair bill, specifically the exemption that was proposed by Cisco and IBM's lobbyists to limit critical infrastructure from being covered by the bill, where critical infrastructure could be anything that the manufacturer declares to be critical infrastructure. I really appreciate all the effort that you all put in. Many of you, when you send your emails to the Colorado state senators and legislators, you CC'd me on many of those emails, or you BCC'd me on those emails, so I got to see what you actually said. And a lot of the emails that you sent were amazing. You said, here is why I see this as a problem. Here's why I think that this would be misused. Many of you used examples from prior cases from other companies and other industries that have taken advantage of these type of loopholes already, and you were just honest. You said, I live in this district, here's why I dislike this, and you were kind, courteous, and polite while doing this. I really appreciate it. I got at least 20 or 30 emails that I was BCC'd on within the first day, which really, and one of the things I wanted to go over is that this was paused. It's not off the table altogether, but it has been paused, which means that there is a lower likelihood of it going forward. And that happened because of all of you. If you didn't contact them, and if you didn't contact them in the way that you did, if you weren't kind and courteous and polite, if you all didn't put yourself in the shoes of the legislators wondering what would they want to see in an email if there was something that was actually going to be read, but included all the necessary facts without being too long in a proper tone, we may not be where we were today. We're where we are today because all of you reached out. You did what you were supposed to do. You contacted them. You were polite. You were kind. You were courteous. But you said your piece and you made it known, and you included the facts with it. And I want to make the point here that it really doesn't take a lot to do that. It's just everybody assumes nobody else is going to do it, so why should I bother? Or people assume, well, the only people who are going to email or call in are going to be the people who are the biggest crazy people, because that's what you always hear. You always hear this idea that it's always the loudest person that everybody listens to is the vocal minority, and they make everybody else look bad. And people will assume that those are the only people who are going to talk, so nobody winds up saying anything at all. But it's the core constituents. It's the people, the everyday workers, the people that just want things to be more affordable, that just act like normal people, that are willing to take that plunge and take 5 or 10 minutes out of their life to send a letter when nobody else is doing it, that actually have the power to make some of the most change. And the reason that this change doesn't get made at the state level, the local level, or the federal level is because most people are too depressed at how the system works to do anything. And they just figure that nobody else is going to do anything, so why should I? Or if somebody else does something, they're probably just going to ruin it for me. And by not assuming that other people are going to ruin it for you, you have wound up doing a good thing for everyone. Thank you for taking the time. I really appreciate it. I'll thank you for not assuming that a small number of people would ruin it for everybody. Thank you for engaging with the highest standards of conduct. I genuinely appreciate it, and your results have been showing. I'll see you in the next video.